natural, your main attraction. Today I will be doing a steam on my deep condition. Right now I have my hair in two high puffs, and my steamer that I'm using is here. It's by Red Pro, and I have the water already in there up to the max line, and I will be under it for about 20 minutes. So let me read what the benefits of steaming your hair is. So the benefits for steaming your hair is it promotes hair growth, it stops hair breakage, it adds moisture, warns off dryness, brittleness, and breakage, cleanses scalp, removing dirt and dead skin, it's better circulation, leaves your hair soft and smooth, makes hair stronger and healthier, improves hair treatments. So I'll be sitting under the steamer for about 20 minutes as I deep condition my hair. I currently have melanin deep condition in my hair, and I'll be back to show you the results. Well guys, it's been 20 minutes and I am back. As you can see, let me get a little closer. My hair is very moisturized. I even feel the circulation better for my scalp. It's soft. I actually think it helps with the elasticity of your hair. I had very bad heat damage a couple of years ago. I will insert picture here, but I have just a little heat damage still, but when you take a look at that picture that I insert, it has actually come a long way. As you can see, it is very, very much moisturized. I try to steam weekly as I deep condition weekly, because deep conditioning weekly promotes hair growth as well. It helps with heat damage. So again, if you don't mind, would you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel? And thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with another video.